everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be working on crocheted chair socks, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi there, thanks for joining me today. We are going to be making some chair socks or chair boots. Now, I have a couple of little stories to tell. First, the reason I'm doing the same kind of video that I have done a number of times on this channel is because every time I do it a little bit differently. And so that's why I keep doing the same kind of video of the same thing multiple times. So I just wanted to explain that. I know that I've got a video for these exact chair socks, but this one's going to have a little bit of a different, maybe a different camera angle, maybe a different story, whatever the case may be. It'll be a little bit different, right? Then my other story is, this is part of the yarn from the awful yarn vomit incident I had a few weeks ago. I'll put links in the description for the video about that. I made a dog sweater and I did center pull from one of those really big balls of yarn. Well, the whole center was just a hot mess. So it took me hours. I think it ended up taking me about 6 hours to get all of it wound into yarn cakes. And so it was a struggle. So if you want to see that struggle, I'll put links for that in the description. The other thing is I made some new clay crochet hook handles. So this was a normal crochet hook, and what I did is got some polymer clay and I just made a handle for it. So I have links in the description also for how to do these. Okay, so I think that's it for that. So what we're going to start with is we're going to cross our yarn. Okay, we want a bit of a tail there. Oh, by the way, I'm using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm using 4-ply worsted weight yarn. Okay, so we're going to cross our yarn, and we are going to chain 2. See how we've got 2 there? Now we're going to go into that first chain. We're going to catch our tail. See how I'm wrapping it around my hook? We're going to pull through and do a single crochet. We are going to do 6 single crochets into that same stitch. So I'm at 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to slip stitch into that first stitch. And then we are going to chain up 1. Now in each stitch around, we're going to do 2 single crochets. So yarn in, pull through, yarn over, go through your 2 loops, yarn in, go through, yarn over, go through your 2 loops. So that's 2. So by the time you're done this, you will have 12 stitches. So 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in each stitch around, and meet me back. So I've got my 12 stitches. So now we're going to slip stitch into that first stitch, and we'll chain up 1. Now we're going to, if we did our center right, we're going to give this back tail a pull, and it'll cinch up that center hole. If it doesn't cinch up, do not panic. You can just sew it when you're hiding threads, okay? So now we're going to work in multiples of 3. We're going to put 2 stitches in our first stitch. Again, the single crochets, and 1 on its own, and that makes 3. So the reason I say multiples of 3 is because we're going to do that all the way around until we have 18. So we've got 3, We're going to do 4 and 5 in the same stitch. 6, which is a multiple of 3, is on its own. 7 and 8 together. 9 is on its own. I want you to continue this until you've got 18 stitches. Then meet me back. Okay, so I've got my 18 stitches, so I'm going to slip stitch into that first stitch. I'm going to chain up 1. Now what we're going to do is we're only going to work in the back loops around, and we're just going to put 1 single crochet. So you go just into the back loop, pull through, go through your 2 loops, and then we're going to do that for the next one. And what you are creating is a little ridge. So this will just make your chair sock look a little better, look like it was meant to be. By the way, these chair socks are good for round legs, but they're also good for square legs because they'll just take on the shape, right? They have a little bit of stretch, not too much, but a little bit of stretch, so that's good. So see, we're just picking up that back loop, which is giving us this little bit of a ridge. And we're just doing 1 single crochet in each stitch. So you do that around until you get to 18. Okay. And you'll be able to tell because, see, we have ridge, but we don't have any ridge. So ridge, no ridge. So you just keep going, okay? Or you can count, whichever you prefer. So do that, meet me back. Okay, I've just done my 18th stitch. So now what we're going to do is normally we would slip stitch into that first stitch, but instead we're just going to start spiraling, okay? And we're going to just keep doing single crochets around and round in a spiral. Now, I want to show you what we've got. We have this little ridge, so it makes your chair sock sit kind of flat. And then you see here on this side of where our working yarn is, we have 1 row, but on that side we have 2 rows. So you want to keep working this until you have 8 rounds on each side of your crochet hook. So you do that, meet me back. Okay, so I've got 8 rounds. So see, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then on this side, 2, 4, 6, 8. So now what you're going to do is you are going to slip stitch into the very next stitch. Make your loop big. Cut your yarn. Pull your tail through your loop, pull tight. And there you have your first chair sock. So I have a whole bunch of videos on how to hide thread, so I'll put those in the description if you don't know how. But yeah, you make these in all the same color, all different colors. You can put stripes, which I have videos for. You can make them longer, you can make them shorter. You can do whatever you want with these things. So just have fun with it and be creative. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Lets me know that this is the kind of content you want to see on the regular. Well, crochet content anyway. And if you subscribe, that just means that I will be able to make more and more of these wonderful tutorials because I'll know that you guys want to see them. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check out the description. Have a great day. Bye now.